Hello, everyone. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. It's me, Teacher Kent, and today we're gonna be talking about the organ systems and fun facts about them and our human body. I hope you're ready because we're gonna start right now. Okay, the first organ system is called the circulatory system. Now, before anything else, let's review. The smallest part of the human body is the cell. A group of cells is called a tissue, not the ones in the toilet, but a tissue. Okay? The second group, a group of tissues is a organ. And a group of organ is an organ system. And a group of organ systems make up the living things or the human body. So there are three organ systems that I want you to know about today. The first one being the last one we talked about. Oh no, the first one being the circulatory system. From the word itself, circulatory, it circulates, it goes around in a circle. The blood goes around, it circulates all over your body. That is a circulatory system. Okay? The main parts of the circulatory system are the heart, the blood vessels, the veins, capillaries, and arteries. The heart pumps blood, the blood goes all over your body. And when it's done going all over your body, it will go back to your heart. Why does it need to do this? Because the blood, when it goes out of your body, it brings oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. And you need those things. And it also gets all the waste parts and goes to your stomach to throw all of your waste parts away. That is the circulatory system. The second one is the respiratory system. It helps us breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. We all we all humans need air to survive. The parts of the respiratory system helps us get air from the outside. The parts are the nose, the nasal passages, the mouth, the larynx, the lungs, the diaphragm, and the ribs. Now, it gets the air, it gets the oxygen. I mean, from the nose. The nose stops all dirt that can come into your body and just make sure that oxygen comes in to your lungs. The lungs then give the oxygen to the heart and it collects carbon dioxide from other parts of your body and you exhale through the mouth or the nose. The other parts, like the rib and the diaphragm, they help you breathe. That is the respiratory system. It helps you breathe. And finally, the organ system we talked about last week, the digestive system. Now, it helps us digest food. And what are the parts of the digestive system? We've got we've got the mouth, the tongue, the esophagus, the small intestine, the liver, the large intestine, the anus, the stomach too. We eat the food from our mouths, we chew it, the tongue and the saliva melt the food so that we can drink it or swallow it, and it goes down to the stomach. The stomach burns the food so that only the important important parts remain, and those parts that still have different nutrients go to the large and small intestine where they are absorbed and is transferred to the heart from the blood, and the blood will go all over your body, and the excess or the things that your body doesn't need will just go out of your anus. That is the digestive system. Now, are you ready for some fun facts about the human body? Human body and organ system. Number one, you're going to be taller in the morning. Measure yourself in the morning, then again at night. You're going to be taller in the morning because of how the cartilage in your bones compresses during the day. Thanks a lot, gravity. Oh, when you want to know how tall you are, you have to measure your height in the morning. Don't measure at night because you will lose an inch or two. It's because the gravity pulls your body a little bit closer to Earth and it makes you just a little bit smaller. Oh, for those people who think they have grown, you measure your height in the morning at the same time every single day so that you will know if you have really grown. Because one day, if you measure in the morning, you are 180 centimeters. When you measure next day at the evening, you are 178 centimeters. It means you did not grow? No, it just means that you are a bit taller in the morning. Next, fun fact about the human body is your heart beats at about 100,000 times a day. Depending on your beats per minute, your heart beats about 100 times a day. That means it sends 2,000 gallons of blood through your body. Imagine that, class. Think about this. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. That's about 3,600 seconds, if I am not mistaken. And there are 24 hours in a day. That's about 86,400 seconds. And your heart, it beats more than 100 times a day. It means your heart beats almost faster than a single second. When a second passes, the heart almost is starting to beat again. That's pretty amazing. It means your body is amazing. Your body works harder every single day to keep you alive. Next fun fact, your highest blood flow is in your kidneys. The highest blood flow isn't in your heart, liver, or brain. It's in your kidneys. That's because kidneys are the body's natural filtration system. You should always take care of your kidneys. You should stop eating too much sugar. You should stop um, drinking too much colas because your kidneys, they get the most of your blood. If you, as humans, we have two kidneys. That's one kidney that we use. We have an extra kidney. So if ever your first kidney is broken, you can go to the doctor, and the doctor, if he finds out that the other kidney is fine, they will just swap the kidney. However, sometimes if you don't take care of your body, not only will your one kidney be broken, but also the other one. And it's very important because the kidneys filter out all the bad things from your body. It will help you throw out the bad things away from your body. That's why it has the highest blood flow. Remember what I said before? The blood that goes all over your body goes to the kidney so that the kidneys will absorb all of the dirtiness, the dirt stuff in your body, and it will come out as your fecal matter or your poop. So, highest blood flow is in your kidneys. You take care of your kidneys. The next one, you can produce enough saliva to fill 2 bathtubs a year. Your mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva each day. You know what is saliva, right? Saliva is the water in your mouth that helps you chew, that helps you eat, helps you digest. And you know what is a bathtub? A bathtub is big. It has a lot of water. It has a lot of liters of water. Imagine that. Your saliva, the one that your mouth produces every single day, if you get all of the saliva and you keep it in a bathtub, it will fill up 2 bathtubs in a single year. That is because your body needs to make a lot of saliva because the saliva kills bacteria in your mouth, also helps you speak better, and helps you digest food. Even if you're not eating, there is still saliva in your mouth, especially when you're talking. It helps you speak better. Another fun fact: healthy lungs are pink lungs. Healthy lungs look pink and rubbery on the outside. The more you smoke, though, the more tartary and black they become. This can have a serious effect on your quality of life and can even cause bubbles called bleps rupturing in your lungs, a condition called spontaneous pneumothorax. Pneumothorax. Now, this one right here, can I have my pen? There you go. This specific lungs are healthy. That's what your lungs should look like. But people that smoke a lot, will have these color of lungs. It's because of the nicotine in the smoke. The nicotine is absorbed by your lungs when you smoke, class. It will look like this. And if you look here, there's a lot of circles, right? Those are called bleps. Though they will rupture. And when they rupture, it will have an effect on your breathing. You will have a hard time breathing. So, the best way to take care of your lungs is to not smoke at all. Do not smoke since you're still in grade school. When you go to high school or college or university, please don't smoke so that your lungs will not look like these. Okay? Let's go to our next fun fact. Oh, the majestic lion. Dreaming in black and white. 12% of people dream in black and white. Ima- ima- Imagine that. You are sleeping. Do you remember your dreams? And if so, are they always in color? Some of my dreams I can remember they're in black and white. What's weirder is that human beings used to sleep and dream in black and white, even before color TV. The average person still dreams in color, but it's interesting to see how the human brain is susceptible to media. Oh, imagine that, class. Before there was TV, people used to have dreams in black and white. But after the invention of the television or the laptop or the internet, we are now dreaming in color. We're not just dreaming in black and white. We evolved from it, so to speak, because before TV, a lot more people used to dream in black and white. Next fun fact: your blood vessels could circle the globe. Though people have small blood vessels, the network is amazingly long. If they were laid out, they would measure more than 60,000 miles. Please don't do that though. It's good to keep your vessels in your body. Okay, your blood vessels, they bring your blood. That's why they're called blood vessels. Blood from the blood, and vessels means that something that is carrying another thing. If your small body, if somebody took your body apart, they took out your blood vessels and they stitch them together, they connect them together, it is long enough to circle the globe because of how many there are. It's amazing. We are small, we're not that tall, we can't actually circle the globe with our small body, but our blood vessels, if somebody were to catch them and they attach them together to form a thin line, it could actually go all over the globe. Please don't do that though. As it says here, you need to have your blood vessels in your body. Next, fun fact, the average human adult has 2,000 to 4,000 taste buds. They aren't only located on the tongue. These tiny sense organs that gives us the ability to taste are also located in the back of your throat, your nose, and your esophagus. That's right. Your nose doesn't just smell, it can taste too. The sense of smell is very important component of tasting. Now, taste buds help you find out what is the flavor of the food you are eating. If it's spicy, bitter, sour, salty, or sweet. Look at here, different parts of your mouth have different areas where they tell you that it's salty, it's sweet. Now, does this mean that if I eat a lemon that is bitter, I eat it on the top of my tongue, it will become sweet? No, it just means that these parts will tell you if the food is sweet. Since the food is going around your mouth, the ones that will get the specific taste will be the ones that will know how your food tastes. That is your taste bud. Now, it's not just the mouth that has the taste buds, though. It also has the taste buds on the nose. That's why some people, especially during COVID, they lose their sense of smell. And if they lose their sense of smell, they also lose their taste. They don't know if the food is good or not. That's actually pretty amazing. Let's go to the next fun fact. Your body has more than 600 muscles. Your strongest muscle is located in your jaw, known as the masseter muscle. The stapedius muscle, located in the middle of your ear, is your weakest muscle. Oh, I see. We have a small muscle here in the middle of the ear that helps us absorb the music or the sound or vibrations in the air so that we know the sound. That is the weakest muscle. So be careful of that. Do not shout in your friend's ear because it might pop the muscle. The next one is the strongest muscle. It's in your jaw. It helps you eat. It needs to be very strong. It can break a lot of things because of its strength. It needs to be very strong so it can help us chew our food. Another fun fact, in time, your brain has a harder time with long term memories. In time, your brain will have a harder time with long term memories because the brain is unable to filter and remove old memories, which prevent it from absorbing new ideas. That means the brain has to work harder to produce memories over the average lifetime. When you grow old, it's normal for us to start losing our memories. It's gonna be harder for us to remember some things. It's because every single moment we are alive, we get new memories. So sometimes the brain needs to overwrite or to just delete some memories to make room for more. And it's okay, it's understandable. Don't be too hard on yourself if you are forgetful sometimes. And that is the end. I hope you learned something from me today. The human body is an amazing thing. So you need to take care of your body, especially you, P6 students. You will be growing up, you will be passing what we call puberty. That means you will have different changes in your body. And in time, we will talk about that in our lessons. But for now, I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Bye.